Everyone, and thanks for joining me on my new channel, Be Happy Crochet. You might remember me from Kim Boydston Art and Design. I still have that channel. Check it out. It's mostly mixes of everything that I do, but this channel is going to mainly focus on crochet. Just showing you how I recently cleaned up my storage arts and crafts room. I used to have the yarn all up over these shelves. I thought, let's just clean it up, see if we can condense it down so it's just not looking so messy. Showing you a look around, and I'll show you where I started putting my yarn. We'll see how it goes. All right. Dun, 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 dun. I'm going to back up. I just kind of moved it into this closet. I had an old shoe rack. I cleaned out the shoes, decluttered this closet. Try to color coordinate everything. Thank you so much for joining me. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe. Let's get this channel up and going and see where it goes. I appreciate everybody coming by to check out what I'm doing. This is some nice chenille with little projects, as you can see. Sometimes, you get started, you stop, start again. Try not to do that. I'm trying to finish everything as I go, but you know how it goes. If you crochet or do any crafts. There's some cute little tops that I made. You may have seen these on my other channel. This channel, I may be just doing lots of show and tell. Occasionally, I will show you how I make these patterns. These are all my one-of-a-kind patterns. My own technique. I'm inspired by somebody else's design. I'll give a shout out to that designer. Right, once again, thank you for joining me today on this new channel. Try to go like lights to similar colors. Show you how I did this. Yep, fall colors down here. Some reds, grays, burgundies, blacks and blues, some oddball colors. Well, not oddball, but just some specialty yarns. Maybe that's a better word. Specialty type yarns in here. Got to be creative when you're trying to do storage and don't want it to look messy. And then of course up here I have bins, bags up there of some finished, what I'll show you later are my marshmallow mug hats. If you know what those are, you know. And maybe from time to time I'll do other fiber arts on this channel, but I'm really trying to stick to crochet. All right, thanks for joining. And be happy crochet. See ya around. All right, thanks for joining me. you've been following along so far, you saw how I put this decorative chain stitch to join the squares together. Beautiful floral granny squares. And I made a beautiful cord about 41 inches long. And I'm going to use my husband's cell phone, which is a little bit smaller. Mine's bigger, but you get the idea. You could put just some really nice, quick, easy things for on the go. Your keys, your lipstick, possibly your ID. This is like when you're on vacation or just running around town. You want something light and breezy. Okay, and if you haven't done so already, make sure you hit that notification bell after you subscribe so you'll know when the next video is up and running. All right, I will show you the finished piece after I actually attach it to the loops that I made here. Has to be attached, so stay tuned for that. And you will have a beautiful floral granny square cell phone bag. All right, let's get this attached. All right, now the bag is complete. The cord has been attached. It's a 41-inch cord. I used this same stitch to join here, the squares together, to also join the bag together. It is fully lined, a really cute cotton with a arrow and feather design on the inside to keep everything from falling out, the holes. Extra security. Very pretty, multicolors. You can do these in any colors you wish. The bag measures 11 inches tall by 5.5 inches wide. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever made any granny square cell phone bags or any crocheted bags. I'd love to hear from you. And thank you for joining me at the Be Happy Crochet. Have a great day. Just showing you the details one more time. All right, bye for now.